Hi friends, lot of friends ask me how did you change the wheel color of your bike from green to blue. Today I am going to show you how to change the color of the wheel using Photoshop. First of all, open the Photoshop and choose the image you want to change it. I use this picture. As you can see, this picture is already edited, so the color of the wheel is very bright, so we can easily change the color. Let's start editing. First go to adjustment tab and select hue and saturation settings. And then click the color selector tool and choose the brightest spot on your image you want to change. I'm choosing here. Here you can see it changes to yellow. Just move the hue slider. I'm setting 118. Looks perfect for me. It's based on your requirement. Now you can see the whole picture is changed to little blue, so we need to mask the particular area. For that, click on the mask icon here and then press Command plus I on Mac. If you are using Windows, press Ctrl plus I. It will inverse the mask. Then choose the brush tool and right click on it. Here you can see hardness is 0, and then just start painting on the area you need to change. That's it. Keep white as a foreground color and then start painting. Yeah, that's it. This picture is easy to change the color because it does not have any color behind the wheels, as you can see. If you are editing the picture that has some background colors, you need to mask it perfectly, otherwise it will show the color weirdly. So that's it my friends for changing the color. Hope this video is useful for you, and give your suggestions in the comment section. I am a beginner in Photoshop, so your suggestions will be useful for me in upcoming videos. Thank you friends for watching, and also share it to your friends. Bye. See you in the next video.